Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady.
What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm just gonna be showing you my whip. Let's get this started. You know what I'm saying?
Conquest, and I'm never gonna rest. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone. Yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't really know ya. And now I'm ready taking over. 'Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just know that everything will show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no.
The video, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and go ahead and subscribe because I'm gonna have many more videos to come. Take care.